Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making roast leg of lamb, which is perfect for any special occasion or simply a great Sunday family dinner. It can be served with potatoes, carrots, or any other side dish of your choice. And best of all, the leftovers make great sandwiches. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. To see how I roast this leg of lamb, keep on watching. Here I have a half of a bone-in leg of lamb that weighs just over 2.5 pounds, along with some herb and spices that I will be using to season the lamb. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking the lamb out of the refrigerator and allow it to come to room temperature for at least 30 minutes. All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description bar. Before I prep the meat for cooking, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it's ready as soon as I'm done prepping and seasoning the meat. So here I've diced the 3 cloves of garlic and now I'm going to start seasoning the lamb. Start by poking a few holes in the lamb. This helps the seasoning to penetrate the meat as lamb is already a tender cut of meat and will not need to be marinated. Next, rub the olive oil all over the lamb. This helps the seasoning to stick to the meat really well. Add the minced garlic to the herb and spices, mix well and rub into the meat, making sure to get some inside the holes made earlier. Next, I'm going to be using some cooking twine to tie the lamb as this will help the meat to keep its shape while cooking in the oven. Transfer to a baking tray and roast in a preheated oven at 20 to 25 minutes per pound. This is a half of a leg of lamb. It's approximately 2.5 pounds, so I will be cooking it for around 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, I'm going to change the oven settings to broil so the outer part of the lamb will have a nice brown color. I will broil for no longer than 1.5 to 2 minutes, keeping a very close eye on it as it chars really quickly. However, if you are very satisfied with the color of your lamb once it's done roasting, you could go ahead and omit the broiling part. Once that is done, remove from the oven and cover loosely with foil paper and allow to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After the resting period, insert a cooking thermometer into the thickest part of the meat to check for your desired doneness. Next, remove the cooking twine and carve your meat. And here you have it, roast leg of lamb. I am serving this with herb roasted baby potatoes and carrots along with some mint sauce. I do have a video showing how I make baby potatoes. I will leave a link to that down below in the description bar. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.